Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 5 Mark V, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of our screen. Swipe down once again, and this will extend list of toggles and reveal at the bottom our power button. You want to click on it and select power off. Now when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume down at the same time. I'm going to grab it in my hand. It's going to be a little bit easier to hold both of these buttons. Let go of the power button once you see the SONY logo. And this will reveal our recovery mode. Here, using volume buttons either up or down, you will use them to navigate through the menu. And going over all the options, we have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. Reboot to Bootloader, which takes us to nowhere, back to Android 2. Fast boot mode, we can apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, vlogs, run tests, and power off the device. Now when you have option that you want to use selected, like for instance Reboot System Now is, you can confirm it using your power button. So I just rebooted the device, which will now take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.